open it to change the battery. Okay, so if we look on the left side here, there's a little slot. What I'm gonna do is use a small flathead screwdriver in the slot, put it in here and give it a twist. And I'll crack it open and go around here and just open it up. Just carefully. Open it up, and that exposes the battery. We're gonna just slide it out the side here. And there will be this little rubber seal that's gonna kind of give you a little bit of trouble, but you can get it out. Just be careful. Slide it out like this. Battery size is gonna be a CR2450. Says it right here. Positive sign facing on towards us, and you just slide it in here like that. You see the positive sign right here also. If you need a battery, I'll give you a link to Amazon where you can get a cheap battery there and the correct size if you need one. So just check that out. That's down in the description box. And then you just get the back cover, slide it on here, and snap it back together. Okay, so I like to start at the top and work my way down. And it should snap and make that noise. Well, hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it. If you hit the like button for me and leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another Hyundai video.